Hello all my Keyblade wielders and train. Keyblade Master here, and today I have a theory video. I have a video on Steven Universe. So, a couple of weeks ago, when a big storm hit, or small, depending on how you look at it, me and my cousin were talking, and to keep her identity secret, I'm gonna call her my anime senpai. So, we were talking, and we're talking about Steven Universe, and she came up with the theory of can Steven's powers, healing powers, be working only halfway. So I got thinking, could that be the case? Because Steven is able to heal a corrupted gem, but only halfway. And while watching one of the older episodes, especially where Centipede was full half brought back, she was talking about a sound that corrupted all the other gems. So I got thinking, what if Steven uses his healing powers, but at this time he sings after? Could that help him heal the other corrupted gems? Possibly. Because if you don't know this, in theory, that the the sound that Centipede heard was the fusion between yellow, white, and blue diamond. So could that really be the case? Well, in real life, gems are influenced by sound, depending what sound is dispute used. Like a big heavy sound can do certain things to a gem, as in a lighter noise can do another thing to a gem. So that's all I really have for today. I know these videos are long, but I would like if you guys left a like for this video if you like what you hear, want to hear more. Subscribe. I have a Twitter account. Go on Twitter and type in Keyblade Master and suggest what videos I should do next. And as always, keep training, work hard, and never give up. This is Keyblade Master out.